It's our fifth video! Yay! And now in this video we will be extremely crazy.
We have our webkits, okay?
Introduce
This
them.
is Duke, right out here, and this is Naughty the Mancy.
And these are my two newest ones I just got. To give us the weekend? Yeah, the weekend. This is Coco. This is Coco Trudeau. My mom gave me that name. And this is Gustav. Like the hurricane. So,
Today, we're not going to show our faces. We're just going to play with our webcams today. Is that okay?
hope it's okay. But when the crazy dancing comes, then it's
Yes, and of course the video. Theme song.
Yeah. So, and now.
Oh, the theme song!
Duh.
Are we crazy or something? I almost forgot our favorite part of the show, the theme song.
I know.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's that? A hat. Crazy, funky, junky hat. Overslept. Hair slightly. Trying to look like Kira and I. You've been there. We've done that. You see right through your funky hat. Yay!
Okay, people, now we gotta go, and our webcams will take over.
Bye. Egyptian time. Oh my god, okay. Hey guys, what's up? I am Gustav. Wait, no, I'm Gustav. What's up? I'm a horse. Oh yeah.
And I'm Melody the Mancy. Oh yeah, what's up, people?
Yeah.
And I'm Duke the Alligator. What's up,
And I'm
people?
Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel, the famous designer that worships me, all people. Woo! Oh yeah, go my girlfriend. Yeah, girlfriend. Looks totally hot. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me just bring the camera lower. 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 Is that good? Yeah. Okay. Let's do it.
Actually, to the fans, we will show our faces. That was our webcams too.
Yeah! Wait, you can't see me!
Good.
Woohoo. Okay, is that good?
You can't see me.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's fine. You can't see me. I have to turn off.
Okay.
There you go.
Now that. Look, it's something smell like. Okay. Now, let's do it! Let's do it! Party! 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 So, guys.
Her butt.
So, guys, what do you want to do now?
Or something fun.
Oh my gosh, are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? Hey! Animal fight! Woo! Oh yeah! Hey! Oh, how dare you, Melody? How dare you ruin the famous designer? Yeah! I'm gonna slap you with the back of my tail. Hey!
I have a tail fin.
Oh yeah? Hi!
I have sharp razor-like teeth.
I have hooves. Ah! My goose so fell.
Okay. Party time. Okay.
And now it's time for random dancing
Time.
Yay!
We'll leave these right here.
Yep,
So you
and
can't
they're
see
going to
them.
be our audience though and watching us.
Yes, watching us. My phone's dying. Okay.
Ready, you guys?
I'm ready.
Let's turn on the music.
Music, 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 music makes the people come together. Yeah.
Faster. Hey, Ross, having long hair. Oh my gosh, our special guest! Special guest! Oh yeah!
How about we get Buffy? And you'll get Buffy's attacking Tony!
She fell. Ah, want to meet Dr. Phil? His name isn't really Dr. Phil. Bob. You know, let's do something new. What? I don't know. Let's talk about what we like.
Okay, people.
Oh.
We're going to talk about
By the
someone
way-
who's very famous and cute.
Yeah, and we both want to say happy late birthday to Nick Jonas.
Yes.
Happy. We're so sorry, Nick.
Sorry. We just sorry because I was not here to smile.
Yeah.
But sorry, so sorry.
Yeah. So now, Coco Chanel is going to tell us her favorite band. Dun, dun, dun. Jonas Brothers. Jonas Brothers.
Now, Coco's got to cover Tony's face. And she won't say something. Okay, we're going to get 3 webkins that we just thought of.
Yes. And there are special webkins guests. The webkins are so excited.
Okay.
And now, making their first guest appearance on our show, the Jonas Brothers! Yay!
Okay.
Oh, we forgot Frankie! The little one!
Oh, yeah, a little one. Oh, that's small one.
I know.
Which one? It's in a mouse.
Oh. And Frankie! Yay!
Let's introduce them.
Yes. This is Frankie. Hi.
Please.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, now, this one is Kevin Jonas. We'll go over that. Okay, this is Kevin Jonas, the Eagle, right?
Yeah, the beetle. This is Joe. Hi, what's up, people? How's my homies?
And the cutest one, Nick Jonas.
Hello? Sorry, that was my mom. Sorry.
Nick Jonas.
Happy birthday, Nick, again. Woo!
Sorry.
Now
Watching this,
let's
Nick.
sing the happy birthday Webkin song.
Okay. Ah!
You threw Nick!
No, I threw the ugly one.
Is this one Nick?
Yeah, but I threw the other one. Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna sing happy birthday to him. You wanna be ready? 1, 2,
It's the webkins version, by the way. You're
Yeah.
talking our face. So, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Webkins.
Happy birthday to you. Webkins. Happy birthday, dear Nick Jonas, aka Webkins. Happy birthday to you. Webkins! Yeah, Webkins vlog. And you know what? We're running out of time.
Oh, go, we are. Gotta go. We really gotta go. We gotta go.